And the next thing we're going to do is actually animate it. And this where things get a little bit trickier. So we need some more room in this panel to work on an animation. I'm going to hold my mouse right there where I get that line with those arrows. See that? Right there. I'm going to click and I'm going to pull this open here so that we have more space to work in this panel. And to make an animation, you have to make what's called a keyframe. A keyframe is telling the computer that at an exact spot in time, you want your object to be in this exact location and exact size. And if you move the playhead somewhere else, it might not be there at that time, but the keyframe is telling you at that point, that's where you want it. So let's go ahead. What we're going to do is we're going to make this beach travel logo start off really tiny and then grow to be this size. So at this point in the timeline, which is, let's say around 21 seconds, I want the logo to be done enlarging, and it's going to be exactly the way it looks right here at that point in time. So what I'm going to do is go over here to scale, because scale is changing the size, and I am going to start by clicking this little stopwatch thing. Notice how when I hold my mouse, it says toggle animation. I'm going to click that, and notice how it gave me this little diamond here and this little diamond here. That's my keyframe. That's telling the computer that this point in time, this is what size this logo needs to be. But I'm going to go back down here to the timeline, and at the very beginning, when it first comes on, I want it to be really tiny. So we're going to put that at the beginning, and I'm going to click the diamond now. So the first time when you start the animation, you click the stopwatch. This is a little confusing, but when you're ready to add more keyframes, the second, third, fourth, fifth time or whatever, you need to just click in this diamond area. All right. So the first one turns the animating on, and the next keyframes, you just click the diamond. So I'm going to click that. So notice how it gave me another diamond right here. And I want my logo to be very small at this point. So I'm going to hover my mouse over that, and I'm going to click it so it's really tiny. All right, so now when the video plays, let's play it. You see the logo grows. So it goes from one keyframe to the next and gets bigger as it goes. And then I want it to stay this way for a while. And then right at this point here, probably like right there, I want it to start getting smaller again. So I'm going to go back up to my scale. And I'm going to, first of all, make sure you're clicked on the right track. That's very important. If you start doing things on the wrong track, it's going to mess you up. Click on your travel logo track, and then let's make another keyframe. And that's telling the computer, okay, right here, I want it to be looking like this. But yet when it gets over here to the end of the video, I need another keyframe because now it's going to be small again. So we're going to go over to scale, and we're going to drag it down until it's almost nothing. All right, now let's play this back and see what we have. Perfect.